of here. Push the red button, just to relieve any excess air. A bit of force to open it. Push the two clips together and then pull the lamp out. Comes out with the whole connector. Pull the connector off, slide the lamp out. To install the new lamp, try not to touch the glass, it's not as easy. Always put the lamp in first, never try to put this on and then put it in. Always put the lamp in first. Line up your holes. Push down till it clicks. Use your click. Plug it in. On the left hand side you have a black button, a reset button. Push that in. Push the power in, hold it. Reset will come up. Give it 3 turns. Return back to 365. Just turn it to full.